Alright, y'all. Now that we're a weekend, I'll show y'all how we doing now. Winter pile, older pile, 1 week pile, blank space, impromptu pile, new pile, dry pile, dry pile. Alright, to show y'all how hot these piles get, I brought out this infrared thermometer to show y'all how it goes. Reading about 78 at that pile. We go towards the ground, 73 over there. Now, I crack this one open. I'll show y'all. It's getting up to 80. Getting close to the high 80s. Now I'll show y'all the newer pile. That one just from the outside. That one getting up to the high 80s. Well, mid 80s, I should say. And mind you, the ground is 75-ish. Crack it open. We got the steam. Let me see. That's reading at 90s. Hundreds. Y'all saw that. This thing getting up to 100 degrees on the inside. And now for this impromptu pile. This pile is just grass clippings that have been sitting in, the grass bin or whatever, that don't get turned. So this is basically a new pile if you don't turn it, but it can be brought back. And then if you notice, the dry piles are basically just the one dry pile that was over there, split in two, and then added more dried out grass clippings to the piles to bulk them up. So 2 emergency piles for lack of brown.